What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and this is a different type of unboxing because this is the first time I've seen one of these. Thanks to Marcus Brownlee on X for showing another branded AAA battery or AA battery, because they make it in both, that is charged via USB-C. And to my surprise, they're pretty cheap. Now, are they good? I don't know. I'll test them out over time. But, a typical pack of AAA usually costs about $6-7 or more, depending on the brand. But this was for $7, and I think it's a steal because, again, you can recharge them whenever. So we're gonna go ahead and, take a look at it here. So it's a AAA, 4 of them in the pack, charged via USB-C. By the company Coinrew. Okay, so, and it's a 1.5 V lithium battery. You can take the time to read out the back if you want to. So let's go ahead. Charging cable here at the bottom. And it does come with 4 of them, so you can charge all 4 at the same time. Very nice. I wish this was USB-C as well, but you win some, you lose some. Now for the battery itself. Right off the bat, they're slightly lighter. They feel a little bit lighter than your typical AAA battery, but nonetheless, very nice design. And then there goes the cutout for the USB, the port for the USB-C. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick test here. I'm pretty sure they might have some charge to it, but before using these, I will be charging them to 100%. So right here, I have my Jackery. Go ahead and plug that in, turn that on. Yeah, pretty cool. You can see a small circular LED ring on there to tell you that it's charging. Go ahead and plug the rest in. I'm assuming that when it is charging, done charging, the light either goes off or it remains a solid green. And the final AAA battery. So there you have it. Let's see. Hopefully this one is the only one that's not blinking, so hopefully that means it's fully charged, or it could be dead on arrival. So I'll get back to you on this one. But for now, this is the unboxing of Coinrew. I will leave a link down below if you would like to purchase one and try it out yourselves. This is pretty cool tech right here to me. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Leave a comment down below. Have you ever seen these types of batteries before? Please like this video. Subscribe if you want. Peace out. Okay, so just a quick update on this end of the video. So it turns out one of the USB-Cs is not working. It's not a bad battery, so let me just demonstrate. Let me go and plug this one in again. As you can see, there's no light, but if I disconnect this one, put that down and plug in the one that seemed dead, it is now charging. Let me go ahead and put the one that was charging before perfectly fine on this last USB-C. And as you can see, it's not charging. So looks like this end this cord right here is pretty much dead, not working. It is what it is. I wasn't expecting much for $7 and some change. But yeah, that's it guys. That's a little quick update. Peace out.